Hey Fitness Fam, it's your girl Shola here with another quick fitness tip for you. All right, so you want to change up the angle of your push up? I've got you covered. We're going to do a little bit of incline push up today. You're going to need something that's going to elevate your body. All right, so a step bench, anything that you can use to kind of lift your body up a little bit. All right, so you're going to level one, be on your knees, hands on your bench. All right, you're going to go down and up. All right, level two, you're going to lift one leg, keep the knee down, down, and up. Level three, you're going to be here, down, and up. All right, so that incline push up will put a little bit more emphasis, of course, on the chest, but on the lower part of your chest muscles. All right. And then also it gives you an additional little challenge. So start off with level one, get that down, then move to level two, get that down, and then when you are ready and you have your form and alignment, move to level three and knock out those incline push-ups. All right, guys, have fun with that.